In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through step by step how to quickly add a volume indicator to your chart in Tradingview. If you're new to charting, volume is simply a way of seeing how many shares, contracts, or units are being traded over a certain period of time. It's one of the most important tools for confirming price moves, so it's really useful to have it visible on your chart. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open for the asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, forex, or anything else Tradingview supports. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say indicators or indicators and strategies, but it's usually near the top toolbar. Go ahead and click that to open the indicators window. When the indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search bar and type the word volume. As you start typing, Tradingview will automatically filter the results below. In the results list, you should see a built-in option simply called volume. This is the standard volume indicator that most traders use. It displays colored bars at the bottom of your chart, showing how much trading activity occurred during each candle. When you see it in the list, just click on volume once. Tradingview will immediately add it to your chart, and you'll see the volume panel appear, typically at the bottom. From here, you can customize it if you'd like. For example, you can hover over the word volume on the left side of the panel and click the settings icon. That will let you adjust colors, style, and visibility, so it matches the look of your chart. If you're just getting started, the default settings are perfectly fine, and you can always come back and tweak them later as you get more comfortable. Now that volume is on your chart, you can use it to confirm breakouts, spot potential reversals, and get a better feel for how strong or weak a move might be. And if you want to unlock more advanced tools and features in Tradingview, be sure to check out the affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description of this video.